This tutorial will show you how to center text inside an HTML element with CSS. So here we have a div container with some text inside. Paragraph tags specifically stretch across the entire width of the parent container. So I'm going to apply some background color to show you that. So when you create a paragraph tag, it actually occupies the entire width of the parent container. Having said that, applying the text-align property with center value will center that text horizontally. But what if your container is really tall and you want to center text vertically? As you can see, text-align is not going to help us there. One of the best ways to align text vertically inside a parent container is to use flex. So I'm going to convert the parent div to a flex container. I'm going to do that by assigning flex value to the display property of the div container we have here. So let's refresh the browser. Doing this converts all inner elements to flex items. So this is why our center text is no longer a paragraph. And so technically we're not aligning text anymore, but the actual items inside our flex container, which actually works really well for centering text inside an HTML element. Next, you want to use the align-items property and assign it a value of center. This will center our text vertically inside the HTML container, no matter how tall it is. And to center text vertically inside the flex container, you will use justify-content property. Also apply center value to it. As you can see, we centered text in both directions, and regardless of what the height of the parent container is, the centered text will remain centered on both axes. But what if you have more text or HTML elements to center? And let's say you want to center them across the entire height of the page. Let's add some more text. And because by default flex will align items horizontally, this is what we're going to get, but it might not be what we need. So how do we change the direction of flex item to column? We have flex-direction property, and by default it's row, so we need to change that to column. And as you can see, that changed the direction flow of our centered items. And so this is how you center text in HTML using CSS.